Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to do unboxing of a Mindbrush journal. So it's basically a journal and I ordered it from the website Mindbrush and I'm going to do the unboxing of it. So it came in an Amazon package. I cannot show the other side because it has address written on it. So after opening I can see a cardboard box which has Mindbrush journal written on it. So there's nothing at the back. It only says Mindbrush journal. So I'm going to open it up. Okay. So what I was expecting is that I will find only a diary in it, but along with diary, as you can see, there is a small paper which says thank you so much, and it also has something written on it, so I'm going to read it out within a minute. But along with that, this is something I was not expecting. So when I looked at it, I think it was looking more of a pen, but then I read it and it says organic bamboo toothbrush. So it is a free gift from them. When I ordered the diary or the journal, there was nothing written on it or on the website that I'll be getting a free product with it. So it looks more of a so they are giving away free products to get more audience for it. So I can see that it says organic bamboo toothbrush and this is how it looks. Here I can see Mindbrush written on it. So again, they have launched their own toothbrush and they are trying to promote it. So it's a pretty good product, I believe. I will try it, obviously. I'll give it a try and I'll share it with you how it works and how is it. I'll give you my product reviews. So let's keep it aside. Along with that, I also see this paper which says thank you so much, and what is written over here, that we wanted to surprise you. Are you wondering why there's a toothbrush alongside your journal? So like I said, that I was not aware, and there was nothing written in the website or even after when I paid for the product that I'll be getting a free product along with it. So yes, I am wondering. It's just a small gift from our side to remind you to brush your mind as often as you brush your teeth. So now I understand the product. The website name is Mindbrush Journal. So along with that, the name goes along with the toothbrush. So they are also promoting a brush along with a diary, a journal. So we thought that having the name Mindbrush on your toothbrush would be a great visual reminder to prioritize your mental well-being every time you brushed your teeth. So that's amazing. So that is how they have explained it, that you can use the toothbrush and then you'll be reminded of that you also need to take care of your mental health, mental well-being. So for your physical well-being, for your teeth, you can use this toothbrush, and for your mental well-being you can use this journal and write it in it. So there are a lot of things written in it. I'll just show it to you. You can read it and you can have a look and read it. Let's open the journal, the product that we paid for. It says Mindbrush journal. Again, it is in a transparent package. It's a complete white diary, complete cover. It only says Mindbrush journal over here and for a happier you over here. And again, there is nothing written, it's only Mindbrush written. That is also not in any other color, along with the logo and the icon of Mindbrush. Let's open it. I can see a bookmark along with it. Your home for a happier you. So to me it looks more of a book which gives you a topic to read, and then you have some blogs and some blanks written over here with some questions, and you have to fill it up. So I think it's something very cool. We used to do it in school and like a slam book, but it's something similar, I believe. So there are different days written over here. You can read the text, and then you have these blanks over written here with some questions, and you have to fill it up. So I think it's a good way to have a relaxing end to the day. Even if your day is very stressful, you can have a look. See, the day 7 says something to think about negative bias. So you can read the topic, and then there are some questions like 3 things I'm grateful for today, what would make tomorrow great, and then you can fill it up. Now what I can see is there are some quotes written over here as well. So you can read the quotes. And okay, so there is phase 1, phase 2. I haven't gone through the book yet, but it looks like it's going to be something fun, something amazing. I haven't tried before. Though I have been journaling for the last 3 years, I was doing it in my notebooks and my registers. Then I also bought one more journal last year, but this one is completely different because we have topics written over here and we also have the blanks. Whereas the last journal that I was using, it only had blanks and the same thing like what are you grateful for today, how was your day, what are your strengths, the same things written for all the days, for all 365 pages. It was the same thing. Whereas this is a little different because it has some content and it also has some blanks. So I think it's going to be fun. It's going to be a good, I would say, experience using this journal. And once I start writing and once I have reached the middle of something, maybe I'll share a review of it. For now, I think it's a good product and it's worth the price. And I'll definitely have a look and I will share more reviews with you on the same. Thank you.